Hey guys, I'm out here kayak fishing on a lake today and I got this bird lure with me. It looks pretty interesting, so I'm gonna see if I can catch some bass with it. Throw it back in there. God, he flew out of the water. That's a giant. Wow. That's a big fish. It's like a 3-4 pounder. I kind of grabbed him by the side. Look at that. First fish on the bird. That was insane. That was one of the coolest blow-ups I think I've ever seen. On the little birdie. It's a solid fish. He's probably 3.5 pounds. Beautiful. There you go, buddy. That's a giant. Dude, that's like a 6 pounder. I've never seen a fish eat topwater like these are right now. Oh my gosh. Don't hook me. Look at that fish. Man. Alright. There he is. Beautiful fish. I mean, look how healthy he is. Let's let him go. Here you go, buddy. Oh, he's under it. There's 3 of them under it. Craziest thing I've ever seen. They're fighting over this thing. Every fish is just beautiful, healthy. Big one. Oh my gosh, I got 2 on there. There's 2. You're kidding me. Wow. It's the first time I've ever done that. That is insane. On a topwater bird. Here's a good 2.5 pounder. 3. Man. Another pretty fish. Wow. That was insane. I almost let go of the rod. I had like 4 feet of line out. There we go. Catch and release. Man. Oh, I thought he was way bigger. There you go, buddy. Big one. There's another one down there. Beautiful fish. Paint is starting to wear off on this bird there. It's destroying it. Bye, buddy. That is a healthy fish. Get out of there. It's probably numbered 15. Wow, as soon as it landed, it's a good one too. Come here. Big one. And that's another 3-4 pounder. They must eat a lot of birds here, 'cause they are devouring this guy. Goodbye, buddy. Another good one. Come on. I hooked him in the belly. Wasn't that big, I just hooked him in the stomach somehow. Man, he ate it. I had like 5 feet of line out. These fish are scary when they eat it.
Bye, buddy.
Thank you guys for watching. The bass absolutely loved this bird and it made for a great video. I will see y'all next time.